You can build a YouTube channel that makes you sales while you actually live your life. And I'm gonna give you the exact step-by-step blueprint on how you can do that. And listen, I know this works not only because I've done it from my channel, but I've worked with hundreds of other course creators, coaches, digital product shop owners, and had this blueprint work for them as well. They got off the content creation hamster wheel that feels never ending, and they built systems that all start with YouTube that allow them to sell so they don't have to show up. I know you're posting lots of content. I know you're trying to be consistent, and I know you're hoping something works. Any of this content works to bring you a lead, a sale, or a client. But that is the hard way to do business. You really need to build this invisible video sales system instead of relying on being a content creator, because that's what you're doing. If you're posting content every single day or lots of times a week, not making sales, you're not a business owner, you're a content creator. And most business owners don't realize the difference. So this system will actually take complete strangers to clients or course students without them even realizing they are being sold to, with a YouTube channel that does all the work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and all you need to do is create one YouTube video a week. And this is the system that I have put in place almost a year ago now, and I've been making consistent sales every single day since then. And my clients are telling me they're getting emails and DMs from people that say, I just binge watched your content and I bought your course, or I just binge watched your content and I need to work with you. Because here's the reality check that you need to have. You didn't start a business to become a full-time creator. And you can't build a successful business also being a full-time creator. So I'm gonna hand over the anti-hustle YouTube plan that will get you focusing on your business again and get you making consistent sales. The first thing that you have got to do is you've got to stop repurposing and trying to be on every freaking platform. Listen, I know, maybe it's FOMO, maybe it's fear, but you're told to be on as many platforms as possible. Repurpose your content. But this is actually watering down your content. And what you're doing when you are repurposing is you're not focusing on what works best on that particular platform. And so instead of creating one piece of content that converts for you, you're creating all of this content that basically doesn't do anything for you, and it is wasting your time, and that is what is going to burn you out. I know, because I'm a recovering repurpose-aholic, and I used to take my YouTube videos and put them everywhere. And while I got views on Instagram or likes on Instagram, they didn't convert to sales. And I talked more about an entire case study that I did pitting Instagram against YouTube in this video right here. You can watch after this. And it all came down to the facts. YouTube converted consistently better than any other platform that I was on. So why waste my time on any of those platforms and even waste my time repurposing content on those platforms? Because even the repurposed content wasn't doing anything for me. So you're gonna set aside all that time you're putting into repurposing content, posting reels, carousels, stories, TikToks, wherever else you are, you're gonna put that time and we're gonna put it into YouTube and building this invisible video sales system. You're done being a content creator, and if that hits you hard, go ahead and stake that claim down in the comment section right now. Say, done being a content creator, because you're a business owner and we want your content to make you sales. Now that we're not repurposing our content, we're gonna talk about this 3-part system. And it has taken me now a year to realize this sucker works time and time again, because it is what's making my business more money right now, over 40% in more sales than this time last year. And I'm doing less work than I ever did before. And I'm focusing on one YouTube video a week. If that's what you're down for, hit the like button so that I know you're on the right page here with me. You wanna create one video a week, you wanna get more sales, and you only wanna work 20 hours a week. So this system has, like I said, 3 parts. The first part is the playlist funnel. Now, you've probably heard me talk about a playlist funnel if you've watched any of my videos. In fact, I will link to this video right here that goes into a deep dive of what my playlist funnel is. But the reason why this playlist funnel works, and I'll tell you about it here in a moment, is because most YouTube strategies that are taught on YouTube and courses and coaches are not taught for business owners. They're taught for content creators, people who want to be YouTubers. And if you already comment in the comment section, I'm not a content creator, you need to understand this is the YouTube strategy that works for you. A business owner, not a content creator. Because the content creator strategy is all about going viral, getting more views, and getting more subscribers. Instead of focusing on getting the ready to buy viewers to your channel, the right viewers, the valuable viewers. And what I tend to see business owners doing is they're creating helpful content, tips content, hacks content, instead of strategic content that builds towards a sale. They treat YouTube like a social media platform instead of what it really actually is, a search-driven sales engine that can work for you all day, every day. So the playlist funnel is basically like an email funnel. You probably have one, right? It is consistent of 5 videos that all lead into each other. Now hear me out. There's 2 reasons why we want to create 5 videos that all lead into each other. The algorithm loves videos and channels that get people to watch multiple videos. The whole purpose of the YouTube algorithm is to keep people on YouTube. So if you can build your playlist funnel that is giving the algorithm what it wants, you're gonna be favored by the algorithm and YouTube is gonna push your content to more of the right people for totally free. So that's why we need to be building this funnel to get people to watch multiple videos. But the other thing that it does that is so important is it warms up this viewer more and more and more. Because the more videos somebody watches from you, the chances they're gonna convert, the chances they're gonna buy your course, the chances they're gonna wanna work with you one-on-one go up every single video that they watch. Now, you're not just creating any type of video, there's a system, and each video serves a purpose in that funnel, like a belief shift, like trust building, objection handling, proof that what you're saying actually works, and then finally, in that last 5th video, you're pitching them. And all of these videos don't need lots of views. They just need the right views because they convert high. Now, there is a particular way that I do teach how to come up with these content ideas and how to put them to flow. And it's a specific research process that I teach my clients inside of the YouTube coaching experience because I want my clients to focus on videos that will get found, that their ready to buy viewer will watch. And we need to make sure we're researching ahead of time what those videos are, what those topics need to be. And while this research process is very daunting to my clients when they first start, it is what makes the difference between a client who will post 1 or 2 videos and not see any sales and a client who will post 1 or 2 videos and see $8,000 in sales with 2 videos under 400 views total. That is exactly what happened to Belle. I spoke to her the other day and she said with those 2 videos, she made $8,000, and by the end of that 5 video funnel, just 5 videos, she had made $39,000 from that one playlist funnel. That's the difference between creating the right video topics and just picking random video ideas you think your audience wants. So the playlist funnel is basically the content plan. Now, once you have your content plan, the next step or the next phase is your video game plan. This video game plan is important because it approaches planning your videos for the YouTube algorithm. So again, what I teach my clients in my program is that we don't start writing any video content until we decide on the title and thumbnail. And more than that, I tell them you've got to come up with 2 or 3, sometimes even 5 title options before we can move on to that video. Because if we cannot come up with a title that we know is specific to our ready to buy viewer, is curiosity driven, is showing value of what they're going to get out of this video if they click on it, then that's not the topic we're gonna do, because your video, your whole playlist funnel will live and die by your title and thumbnail. Because if you can't get the click, no one's gonna watch it. So this video game plan, which is the second part in this process, is making sure you're planning your videos to be successful on YouTube from the get-go. Knowing your title and thumbnail, having a solid hook, and knowing exactly how you're going to outro that video to the next one to keep people watching. So once you have your playlist funnel, which is your content plan, then you start turning those videos into video game plans. And when you have these plans, it makes filming your videos a lot faster, and it makes editing them a lot faster as well, because you had a plan. You can film your videos in less than 20 minutes, and so you have less footage to edit as well. Now, part 3 in this blueprint is called your invisible video sales system. This is back end of my business, and this is how I'm able to maximize every single video that I post without relying on YouTube AdSense. Because guess what? I don't get 100% of my YouTube AdSense revenue. So why would I want to focus on that when I can get people into my business, into my offers, into my funnels, and make 100% of the revenue? So the way my invisible video sales system looks is in videos 1 through 4, I will have a soft pitch somewhere in the video about one of my low ticket offers. And those low ticket offers are usually $27. The 2 that I have right now are the video game plan and my prep system. Now I want to maximize every sale that I get. So I don't just have the option to get these 2 offers. I add a second offer right under it on the checkout page, and it's called a bump. And it provides an opportunity for the person who's about to buy my offer, an opportunity to get something at a cheaper price point. Now, this something is complementary to the offer, but it doesn't feel like it's something that should be included in that offer. So I can take a $27 product, and I can generally convert about 80% of people who buy that $27 offer to also get the $17 offer. That is $17 per purchase that I would be leaving on the table without this bump. Then the next thing I do, once they check out, they are taken to a sales page where they are given a quick limited time offer. Now, this doesn't get bought as much. It gets bought about 20 to 30%, and it's a $100 mini course. And this, like I said, converts about 20 to 30%, but that's still $97 on 20 to 30% of sales that I get, which really help me maximize every single video that I publish to generate revenue in my business. Now, I don't even stop there. I have a series of emails that go out after people purchase things. I have a series of DMs that I send to people that create relationships and get them up eventually to the YouTube coaching experience. I've got coupon codes. I've got things in the course, things in the email that all work together that increase the chances that somebody buys that $27 offer will go to my YouTube coaching experience and say, I need it. This is all designed to work without being loud, without being pushy, or even high pressure, because people don't like to buy that way. And this system prevents funnel leaks and helps me increase my lifetime value of my customer. And here's the best part of this entire system. It can work for any niche. I've had clients with memberships, high ticket coaching, high ticket services, one-on-one services, courses, mini courses, digital products, workshops, even local real estate. I had one of my clients, Emily, not only get a new client, but get a membership person within 2 hours of a video going live. I had Natalie, who within 17 views of her video, less than 24 hours live, get a workshop sale. I mentioned earlier, Belle, after 2 videos, had made $8,000 from those 2 videos and went on to make $35,000 just to her coaching program from those 5 videos. But because she also has the invisible video sales system set up, she also made an additional $4,000 into low ticket offers as well, coming to a total of $39,000 from just one playlist funnel. And this system works. I have my client Hope, who I've been working with for over 3 years now. And for the last 3 years, she has had a 6-figure business just from creating content on YouTube. And she was able to retire her husband because of the money she's making from her sales from her YouTube channel. These aren't accidents. They're results of having a system in place instead of hoping this works. And when that system is in place, that's when you can get down to working 20 hours a week. You batch your content once a month instead of needing to create content every freaking day or needing to show up every day. And you have sales that come in while you actually get to live your life. For example, this summer, I'm done with work by 12 and my kids and I are at the pool by 12:15. We have hit up afternoon movies because my business is working even when I'm not, because my YouTube videos do the heavy lifting for me and my invisible sales system continue to keep the system running behind the scenes. You did not start a business to become a full-time content creator. You started a business to have freedom, to set your own hours, not work all hours. And this is the system that gives you your freedom back. And I know you're thinking, well, Trena, will this work for me? My niche is different. I've worked with so many niches that it has worked for every single niche I've worked with. You're thinking, I don't have time right now, Trena, for YouTube. It sounds great. But I want you to think about all the content you are creating right now and how much time you're spending. What if you took that all away and just put it on YouTube? Because once you get this system down, I only spend about 2 hours a week on my content. And it works for me. Here's the other thing you need to realize. The big reason why we need to think about going to YouTube is because the way people are consuming content is changing. People are using AI in ChatGPT more and more. And you know what specifically they're using ChatGPT for? Finding experts, finding recommendations. And if all of your content is behind a wall, like Instagram, like Facebook, ChatGPT cannot crawl that information. So if all your information is over there, you are basically invisible to AI. And so while you're being invisible to AI, your competitors who are creating YouTube videos, who are turning those videos into blogs, are now being recommended by ChatGPT. This is a time that we have to change what we are doing. We have to think about how we are future-proofing our business. And AI is here, it's here to stay, it's only gonna get more powerful, and if you continue to put your content on a platform it cannot read, you will get left behind. You will not get recommended in AI. I've had my clients put this system in place in under a month. You can be making sales on your YouTube videos in about 4 weeks if you follow this system. That is exactly what Belle did. She was able to get her YouTube channel up and running in under 3 months, and within those 3 months made thousands of dollars. If you're ready to stop posting so much content, if you're ready to future-proof your business with AI, if you're ready to feel confident about where your next sale is going to come from, I want to personally help you build your playlist funnel and your invisible video sales system with you. Inside the YouTube coaching experience, you get my one-on-one help on the playlist funnel, on the invisible sales system. I also review your video game plans. I help you come up with your titles and your thumbnails. I even give you feedback on your scripts to make sure those videos are set up and prepared for success. So you know when you post a video, you're going to maximize your effort on that video with sales. You're getting weekly group coaching with me and other business owners who are doing the exact thing you are doing. You're getting unlimited video and audio audits to ensure you're doing the right thing and you have the best video possible. And you're getting direct access one-on-one with me. This isn't about creating better content. This isn't about being a better salesperson. It's about creating content that's so valuable right when your ready by viewer needs it most, that your content sells to them and you don't even have to pick up a phone or do anything else. The videos will sell for themselves. I don't have a lot of spots in this program because it is so high touch. I work with my clients one-on-one. I give audits every day. But if this is something you're ready to take serious, if this is your time to stop creating so much content that's not doing anything for you, because if it's not doing anything now for you, it's not going to do anything in the future for you. If you're ready to future-proof your business from AI, join me in the YouTube coaching experience at trenalittle.com/coaching. Sign up now and we can be working together in the next 30 minutes.